When you talk aloud, other person can hear you. To announce is to tell aloud everyone about something. Airport announcer. All Colombo passengers are requested to proceed for security check. To argue is to talk to someone against that person's opinion. Such an angry conversation is called argument. To ask is to get information by using a question. Excuse me, where is the library? The library is in the corner. To call is to say something aloud to a person who is a distance away from you. Hi Ram, where are you going? Chat is a friendly conversation. Dhruv, how are you? I am fine. Long time not seen. How are you, Harini? You comment about someone or something. That means you are telling your opinion about somebody or something. The color of the car is terrible. Conversation is talking to each other. Conversation is formal, otherwise, it is chat. To declare is to announce something a definite or official way. The headmistress has declared that tomorrow is a holiday. To explain is to tell others about something. You explain so that others can understand. My teacher explained about museum very nicely.
I am speaking to my friend over the phone. Will you please tell your mom that Pankaj called? Prime Minister made a comment about his visit to United States. Will you please lower your voice? While talking about his school days, Pratibha mentioned about you. You have already told me that tomorrow is your birthday. You need not repeat it. Please do what I say. Don't argue with me. Malini is having a chat with her friend. Mom, I don't understand this lesson. Will you please explain to me?